So our lesson for today is how to color using crayons. Do you guys have your crayons po? Can I see? Kindly open your cam po. Can I see your crayons? Can I see it? Color pencils is okay. Okay. So for today, madami tayong paggagamitan ng crayons. Is that okay? Do you love coloring? Do you like it? I like coloring. Before we start,
Teacher, pwede ba po color pencil po?
opo, yes, but it's okay. So before we start, recitation muna tayo. Is that okay? A-answer lang kayo. Just have to answer. So what's your favorite color?
Color pink po.
No need to raise your hand, just open your mic.
Yellow po.
Pink, yellow, what else? How about the others?
Sky blue.
Sky
Red.
blue, red. What else? How about the others?
I like light pink.
Like pink, pastel pink.
I like sky blue.
Sky blue. Okay.
I like blue.
Ito. So, sa colors, we have, di ba, we have oil pastels, crayons, colored pencil, watercolors.
So,
Yes. Yes po. Yes.
Teacher, hindi po ako nasabi yung favorite color ko.
Oh, what's your favorite color po?
Blue and pink.
Blue and pink. Okay.
I like
So, recitation parent, what's this?
crayons po.
Crayons.
Ay.
Very good. How about this?
Colored pencil.
How about this?
Color pencil po. Shade. Pastel.
Come again.
Yes, pastel. Pastels.
Oil
pastel.
pastels. Yes, oil pastels. How about this?
Watercolor.
Watercolor. Okay. How about this?
Paint. Water paint. Marker.
What?
Paint.
Acrylic. This is acrylic paint.
Poster paint.
No, acrylic. Acrylic paint. Okay, next tips for coloring with crayons. Can you read it? Someone? Anyone?
Orange color is direction.
Okay. Always color in a consistent direction. So if, for example, if you're coloring, you don't need to, like, i-drag mo siya, up and down, tapos next naman is side to side, no. Kailangan, if up and down lang siya, hanggang sa matapos. If side to side, ibig sabihin, hanggang sa matapos kayo mag-color, side to side lang. Okay? Next one. Can someone read? Who wants to read? Sophia.
If you have a corner or turn that makes it really awkward not to change direction, you can either color using curved lines or color using very small circles instead of lines. Just keep in mind that how you will always be visible and will create the appearance of texture.
Okay, very good. So, diba sabi ko sa inyo kanina, papangit kasi siya. Like, for example, you're using crayon, and then, mag-change kayo ng direction. Magmamark kasi siya. Makikita na iba-iba yung direction ng pag-color. So, hindi siya magmumukhang, someone's calling, sorry. So, hindi siya magiging nice tignan kasi iba-iba yung direction. Nagigets po? Okay, next one. So, nakikita nyo here, isa lang yung direction niya, side to side lang. Nakikita po. Here, zoom ni teacher. Diba pag ganun lang yung color? Ganun lang po dapat. Next one. Kita po. Ito naman, syempre, since babies pa kayo, it's normal na magkaroon ng lagpas. Diba? It's normal. And it's okay. When you grow up, matututunan niyo din yun. Ay, sayang. Diba, nagsabi ako sa inyo last time? Diba sabi ko sa inyo last time? This week, kakanta tayo na happy birthday. Diba? Kaso, wala si Caleb ngayon. Hindi natin siya makakantahan ng happy birthday. So, later, after this meet, greet natin siya sa GC natin ng happy birthday, okay?
Dito
After. Ay, andun po pa. Ayun pala siya! Sikat! Ayun pala siya. Padasing muna tayo ng happy birthday. Diba, nagsabi si teacher last time? Andito pala siya. Sige, unmute your microphones. Before we continue, unmute your microphones po muna. Sing tayo happy birthday. Sige, unmute. Sige, sing na. Bibilang si teacher. 1, 2, 3. Sing kayo. Go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Okay. Happy birthday, everyone. Happy birthday, Caleb.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday. Happy birthday.
Okay.
Thank you daw po, teacher and classmates.
You're welcome po. Okay, continue na tayo. Who wants to read?
Ako po. Color outside the line sometimes.
Color outside the line sometimes. Kita nyo here, diba yung outside niya? For example, this one, 'di ba? Hindi siya nakokoloran. So kailangan titignan din natin siya and then ko-color natin yung outside niya para full. Like this. You see the difference between the two? 'Di ba? It's much prettier than this one kasi hindi na ko-color yung outside niya. Next one, who wants to read po? Telma.
In some
Ay, sige.
circumstances, you can color outside the line because you'll cut the piece out afterwards. This allows you to use large strokes.
So, in some circumstances, you can color outside the lines because you'll cut the piece out afterwards. This allows you to use large, consistent strokes. So, like this po. Oh. So, this one naman, sometimes, pwede nyong makoloran yung outside the lines. Like, pwede kayong lumagpas-lagpas. Di ba sabi ni teacher kanina, sa age na pwede kayong maglagpas-lagpas. And, pag naman, nagko-color kayo ng mga ganito, like, large yung picture or large yung kakoloran nyo, pwede kayo lang magpas-lagpas. Especially kapag gumagamit tayo ng colored pencil kasi diba pwede siya ma-erase. Diba po? And kita nyo here, mas full yung color niya. Although meron siyang mga lagpas, mas full yung color niya. Kasi here. And hindi din consistent yung pag-color niya. Merong pa up and down, side to side. Nakikita niyo po yung difference kapag po iba-iba po yung stroke ng pag-color. Kesa po sa this one, nasa left side.
Opo.
Sige. Anong mas maganda? Ano mas magandang part dyan? Yung right kitty or yung left? Ano mas maganda yung color?
Right. Left. 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 Left.
Yung left po. Kasi mas full po yung color niya. And, yung strokes niya is up and down lang, diba? Walang side to side unlike this one. Next, who wants to read?
Consistent with Consistent pressure gives a uniform look.
Okay. Consistent pressure gives us uniform. Like yung kanina, is strokes, diba? This one. Consistent siya, diba? Like, up and down lang siya. And, mas maganda siya sa eyes, diba? Kasi, isang side lang naman yung, mala. Up and down motion lang naman yung strokes niya. Unlike dito, kasi, makikita agad natin na meron siyang mga iba-ibang strokes and hindi po siya maganda sa mata. Nakikets po. Kaya kailangan, sometimes, kailangan po ng consistent yung pressure, consistent yung strokes. Nakikets po. Next one, who wants to read?
Ako po.
Okay. Sige po. You can read na po.
Keeping a consistent pressure with the crayon on a paper gives a uniform, pleasing look. If you're pressing hard, you have to get tired too. So I prefer to press lightly. Correctly, be aware of how much pressure you're applying to be really hard for younger children. It must be tied to motor skills in some way. It won't hurt anything to tell them to skip, but if they aren't intended to it, just let it go.
Okay. So for this one, keeping a consistent pressure with the crayon on the paper gives a uniform, pleasing look. For example, this one, diba? Same siya ng pressure. Diba po pag nagko-color tayo, when we're coloring po, minsan madiin, and then minsan naman light-handed tayo. So, hindi nagiging consistent yung pagko-color natin. Like Curtis drawing, consistent yung pagko-color niya. Kaya pantay yung color. Diba? Vibrant siya. Maganda siya sa eyes. Dapat yung pressure natin when we're coloring, dapat hindi masyadong madiin, hindi rin masyadong light. And ikikip natin na consistent yung ganong pressure lang. Para pantay yung color. This one, ano kayang ginamit na color sa kanya? Is it crayon? Color pencil? Watercolor? Pastel? What do you think?
Crayons.
Crayon?
Acrylic.
It can be crayon, but
Kasi may parang oil pastel.
oil pastel. Oil pastel. Very good. Oil pastel po. Yes, oil pastel. Okay. Next one. Who wants to read? Who wants to read po? Just open your mic.
Ako po.
Okay.
A variety of pressure grades and passes.
Emphasis. A variety of pressure creates emphasis. Next one.
Me, teacher.
Okay.
If there are some I read, areas you
Areas.
increase you want to ascend. You can press a little harder on the prior and end up with a darker, more intense color. This is another good reason to color lightly for full coverage. I don't know.
So this one, di ba sabi ko kanina, you can color po na may pressure but not too hard, not too light. Excuse me. So, if for example, dito sa drawing, di ba, um, they use oil pastel. And while using oil pastel, you need to put a little bit of pressure para po maging vibrant yung colors. Diba po, as you can see, isuzoom in ni teacher, wala siyang gaps, diba? Unlike, unlike this one. Diba po, although hindi siya lagpas-lagpas, meron siyang mga gaps. So, hindi siya fully colored. This one naman po, this one naman is full yung color niya kasi nilagyan ng pressure yung color. This one then. Also, this one. This one naman, kaya meron siyang mga white spots. What do you think? Bakit kaya siya may mga uncolored parts? Ba't kaya siya may mga white na parts? Very good. Very good. Kasi, doon siya tinatamaan ng light. That's why. For this one, yung outer part po ng fruits is darker and then yung middle part naman po, ginamitan po siya ng light hand pressure. Nakikats po. Light hand lang. Para hindi siya makoloran ng full. So, it will look like it's shining po. This one then. Kikita po. But for now, may papa-activity si teacher muna. Wait. Diyan na yun.
Teacher, I cannot see the food.
Here. You see it po? So you have to draw that and then color. Patingin ulit. Patingin ulit si teacher. Ay, pretty naman.
Thank you po. Ginamit po namin paint.
Paint. Use paint. So for this, you can choose between color. Crayons, oil pastel, color pencils. Sige, drawing mo na kayo.
Teacher, can we use
Yes.
crayon?
Yes, of course. You can use crayons, oil pastel, colored pencils.